Special beam cannon.
Is it levels for me or for both of us?
We each have a level.
That's new, ain't it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god, I just realized some breaking combo with Goku. You know, people play the fungus guy? Not, yeah. The turret guy?
Mm-hmm.
Goku had the spirit bomb thing, he do the same thing.
Oh, bro. Oh, chest. I'm gonna get it. Bro, bro just flies to it. I'm like moving at a snail's pace and then I just see you just meow. Look how goofy they run. I'm never gonna get over how goofy I look when I run. Let me see if I can find it as well.
Ooh, what is this? Extra charge to your secondary skill? Wow.
Oh, I got that. No.
That kind of, can I drop items? Time pin unlocked. Hold F to transform. Oh shit. Oh, it stuns me. I didn't know that.
Okay, you're up there. I'm gonna look for a teleporter over here.
Yeah, I don't know why it's about to find this stuff. We usually find it right away. Is that it? That might be it. Oh, it's not that big. Check everywhere I can think of. Did we glitch or something?
It can be where we spawn as well, by the way, so maybe somehow it's there and we just didn't check. Let me see. I mean, I'm saying let me see, well, you can just fly to it.
Pretty sure it was up there. Yeah, I think it's up here. I already checked all the way up there. I honestly think we might need to restart.
I mean, if you want to, we can restart to change the level, but I'm pretty sure. Okay, hold on. With the name.
I know, I was just saying, but it usually doesn't take 10 minutes to find a fucking thing. Oh yeah, it took me like 30 minutes to get past the first level.
Goku!
I want to try the spirit bomb. I gotta make sure not to pick up stuff. You know what I mean?
Yeah, we're in this map now. Let me whip you at the very beginning. Meh.
Oh, I went full melee. Oops. Oh,
Meh, Goku. Goku. What is this? Roll pennies. Gain gold on taking damage. Oh my god, that actually works so much for me. Because I take damage by rocket jumping.
Oh yeah,
It's literally what I do.
Yeah, see, it's that simple to find on this map.
The problem is these flying bitches from because I can't hit them with my rocket launcher at all to save my life. Man, this new TF2 update is looking sick.
Yeah.
No. If you hold tab, you can mouse over items and see.
Oh, I fucking died.
Well, let me get what I can and then.
Yeah, the Nokia range thing is gonna be really hard. Where's the boss?
Okay. Yeah, then.
You're so slow.
I know. Oh yeah, we have the fucking challenge as well, boy. Oh god, having no double jump here is gonna suck.
Are you just dead here?
Maybe. This lifesteal could help a lot, but I need to utilize my lifesteal as much as I possibly. Okay, I need to find somewhere to have cover. That's the thing. Because if I don't have cover, their lasers is gonna. Yep, this is why.
Oh my god, you're getting fucked.
1 second, 1 second. Give me this. I can heal. I can heal, finally.
You got it.
Destroy them, just hit them, that's all. Then I can heal. Kill one. There we go. Woo.
Damn.
Well.
Well, I'm gonna get my key blast this time.
I got the achievement I love dying, die 20 times.
Hey.
And I changed some weapons as well. So now I don't whip you, I have a sword. I literally am a weeaboo with a sword.
Ooh. What is this, bleed? Oh shit. I don't know what that does. I probably should have downloaded a mod that did some shit like that.
Give us information, huh?
Yeah.
What, the items? But before that, no.
That's what I'm saying.
Let's see. Oh well, that's the fun of it. You gotta learn.
Gain
Where's
items
that
and starting
big-
this thing. Breaks up random item.
Give me something nice. A red item. Rocket ICBM. All missile items deal more damage and fire additional 2 missiles. Oh my god, this is overpowered for me. Look. God, this is so sexy. Literally, I'm overpowered now. Look. Because I shoot rockets and this gives 2 more. I shoot 3 rockets instead of 1. And they do more damage. So, missiles deal more damage. Oh. I don't. Here I am.
Pretty sure it's stealth destroyed or something like that.
Yeah, no, it has a big attack, and you have to hide behind obstacles, I think, or get out of its range. It will do like, yeah, this thing. You want to get behind something, so it doesn't see you, because then it does like fuck ton of damage. I remember we died to it the first time we played.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
Oh, do we both have to do it?
Oh, we could have just bought stuff as well now with the money. But I guess moving forward is also a good idea.
No. I think the frozen animation. I just sit there. It's kind of cool that I can just fly over the map. His attack speed. Oop, I don't attack.
Here, because I what I think it
3D printer.
3D printer there.
We'll get the same item 7 times in a row.
And that will help a lot.
Ooh, listener.
Ooh.
Okay.
Oh no, that's not a legend, that's a used item.
Oh.
Could be, yeah.
Oh, here's another one. Leech. I don't know if you want it. Can't get it right.
Oh yes. Air shot. Go into my coin. Missing. We're back up.
Alright, we go for the boss.
I need to find more items though, that's for sure. I'm currently sitting on like 6.
Oh.
I see you with 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yumara! Okay, fuck it, shall we?
Yep, let's go.
I'm gonna immediately just doo-doo. Where is she? There she is.
Oh, killed it.
Oh, nice.
He used the trophy hunt this time.
Doing.
Oh, that's what you mean. Oh, I didn't know I did that.
Yeah.
Oh, they get left behind. Who's that?
Let's go. Oh, this one. Bruh, give me some damage up. I really need some damage up. I need some items. You're just flying around getting everything. So I need to go. When I see a chest, just immediately go for it. You are shaking my screen so much, Goku.
That's not me.
I just heard a Dragon Ball Z sound effect. One of those like explosion sound effects. Not me, I swear.
Oh, this was the spirit bomb I threw like 6 years ago.
I want to see how fucking Medic would do, because Medic is a support class, you know? So why would I do? Just follow you and heal you?
I don't think you could follow me.
Where are the items? Goku, stop taking my items, damn it.
I already took 3.
It's forward, maggot. Goku, back up magazine, maggot.
Ow.
My secondary weapon are my boots. God damn it, I got scammed. The shockers, my unusual. Oh, rusted key,
I died.
sure.
Holy shit.
Eh.
I don't know what killed him so fast.
You,
He's actually not that good of a character at first.
Goku?
Yeah.
Maybe you just suck.
Yeah, maybe I do. This guy seems to be super close this one.
Jesus Christ, stop it. Fucking machine gunner. Fuck you. I'm gonna heal off of the damage. Eh. Give me something. I can't jump up. I missed.
And dead. Dude is
Oh lord. Where is it?
I have no clue.
Fuck.
Also, every time I die, I come back stronger.
That, I mean, that is actually lore accurate.
You're so slow.
I know.
There it is.
Oh, beautiful. Okay, unkillable barrier, go. Teleporter, go.
Beetle Queen, that's not too bad.
Not the worst. He's a stationary target, so it's easier to hit, but...
Oh yeah, you do a fuck ton of damage right now.
To her, yeah. Oh, ooh. But also take a fuck ton of damage. If I could get a melee enemy, anybody that I can kill with my melee, I could heal. No, no, my turret killed him. I needed to kill him with my melee to heal.
You got a
4
healing
seconds,
drone on.
4 seconds, 4 seconds, 4 seconds, use it. There we go, I'm unkillable. I'm not killable.